Hello viewers, it's a privilege and honor to have Dr. Syed Mubashir. He's a dentist by profession. Now, thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Now, since you're here, we would love to say something to our viewers. Hello viewers, today as usual we get the great personality. Today we've got Dr. Syed Mubashir. Now, Mr. Mubashir, sir is a professional dentist. Now, what we want from you is, since you are in our studio, what we request is just all the viewers across the globe want to know what is Dr. Syed Mubashir, who is he?
Hello friends, I'm Syed Mubashir Ahmed. I'm a dentist. I'm basically a post-graduation in prosthodontics, MDS. I have my own practice near Lakri Kapil metro station. The clinic's name is Ahmed Dental Care. And I also do consultation to other hospitals and clinics. And my specialty includes smile design, teeth whitening, gum depigmentations, implants, and other prosthetics related issues.
Oh, that's fantastic. Now, doctor, what I want is this is the key role, because most of the, kids, they've got some teeth, some of the other problems, sometimes they can't able to eat properly. There are a lot of things connected. So if you can just help us, like how we can overcome them.
Yeah, sometimes teeth is something we often ignore. We feel like it's just for chewing purpose and that's it. Where if the kid is eating proper his food, he's fine with it unless he's not complaining of any pain or this thing. But we often do not notice that sometimes the kids are having difficulty while chewing. This problem, if not seen at the younger age, it creates some major issues when the children grows. So there are situations like there is a crossbite, where the teeth are not aligned properly and they are not meeting. The upper and lower teeth are not meeting each other. That is important for chewing purpose. So if that doesn't happen, if the teeth are little cross-aligned and crossbite, so what happens is that the patient is not able to chew properly.
Oh my God.
The child, and it can be corrected if it is noticed. If the parents notice it at a younger age, they check, they go for a dental visit, and they check for such issues. It can be corrected very easily.
Fantastic, doctor.
Yeah.
I really appreciate the answer what you've given. Now, what I want is obviously, we are in India, you understand,
Yeah.
there are a lot of families who are not that much, know about these things.
Mm-hmm.
So what suggestion would you like to give to them? Like, if the kid is suffering, parents doesn't know what is the problem.
Yeah.
How they've got to find out that?
Basically, they have to see whether the child is taking more time than normal for chewing his food, or he has to take extra effort for chewing, he's unable to chew properly, or he's not eating food too much. Okay. Sometimes when they find it difficult to chew, they eat less.
Oh, you mean to say is that they've got to find out,
Yeah.
are there any problems while chewing?
Yeah.
This is what.
Yeah.
So, because usually doctors, what we found out, when the child is not eating, we think maybe he's got a stomach ache, or maybe he's not well. So how confirmly we've got to hit that? He's got or she's got some tooth problem.
See, firstly, the dental issues can only be ascertained by the dentist.
Okay.
So it is always better to go to a dentist, go for a dental visit after the child is like 4 years or 5 years of age. Go to a dentist, nearby dentist, and get a dental checkup done every 6 months. So some issues like crossbite or caries also, something that is which is in its starting stage, it can be diagnosed early. So the patient, the child doesn't suffer as much. And also the cost wise also it can be corrected at a lesser cost.
Okay.
Because it is diagnosed at an early stage.
That's fine. And any suggestion would like to give to all of the viewers, the way you have explained, I can say it's a very, it's like an ocean knowledge what you have given.
Yeah.
That's very nice of you. But any specific suggestions, how they can easily detect that, okay, this got some issue, and some sort of valuable suggestions.
See, many a times if the parents notice, sometimes the child tries to chew when the child is facing difficulty on one side of the jaw because of misaligned tooth, or he's having any decay or some caries in that area, in a particular region of the tooth. The child has a preference side. He tries to chew, like if he's having problem in the left side, he always tries to chew from the right side. He doesn't tells the parents because they don't understand it. They have an issues with the teeth. They are kids. They can't explain it to them, express it properly. So the parent should notice if the child is preferring one side of his jaw, then it means that there is some issue on the other side.
And do you have any reasonable, medicines? For example, there are few parents, obviously, if they can't afford. So, do you have any sort of alternate for that? Like, they should get cured properly with a very reasonable budget. Do you have some sort of strategies?
See, I will not advise go for medical treatment. Sometimes because if you go for a medical treatment, like give medicines to the child and it's like a symptomatic treatment, but the problem is always there. So until and unless the problem with the tooth is corrected by the dentist, the problem will aggravate.
Okay.
It will not come down.
Yeah.
So like if you're just giving a crocin or a paracetamol, the symptoms will go away, but the infection, the problem will
Remain forever. You mean to say that short term we should not think like that?
Don't think, because it only aggravates the situation. Dental caries is just like any other infection. If it is not corrected, if it is not removed out, it will aggravate, it will increase in size, it will eat up the tooth, it will affect the adjacent tooth also.
Very nice, Dr. Syed Mubashir. You're so humble. You're so, you've got a knowledge of this field. But I'll tell you, we heard a lot about you, a lot of influential personalities you have treated. In fact, they were quite thankful to you. So, would you like to say something like what was the pain of them and how you corrected? Like just a quick thing, like what was the thing?
Yeah, basically some influential people, leaders and all, they also come. I have also treated them, and they have dental issues like any other common man, like dental pain and caries and other things. So I've treated them for root canal and crowns and like that.
And doctor, I heard this toothache is next to labor pain. Is it correct? Like is that much?
It's very difficult. Like it's one of the most aggravating pain. The patient cannot sustain that pain for a long time. Some patients have, if the pain is not resolved, if the issues are not resolved, the pain keeps aggravating. It affects their social life, their daily life. They can't work properly. They can't concentrate in their work also because the pain is always constant.
Will this affect to some other diseases if at all they haven't?
Yeah, if the gum diseases. If the gum diseases or periodontal diseases are not checked at the right time, if they are not treated at the right time, there have been instances it can affect the heart. It is related to heart diseases also.
Doctor, that's very nice of since I don't know, I know you're a very, very valuable person. You don't have that much time. Since you have come here, we are quite thankful. But since I'm here, I want to ask you one thing about the education. Like, if at all someone wants to be like you, what he has to or what she has to do.
See, there are basically after inter or your once you have completed the medical entrance exams, once you clear the medical entrance exams, then you go for the graduation, that is Bachelor of Dental Surgery. It's a 4-year course. After that, you have to do 1-year internship. Then, if you're in dentistry alone, it's just basically teeth, but there are specialities. Like my specialty is prosthodontics and implants. So there are different other specialities like orthodontics, braces and all. So for that you have to go for a post-graduation course. It's a 3-year course. So that 3-year course you have to write an entrance exam, and if you're successful, it will be happy.
That's why, very nice of you, doctor. I'm really thankful, because I know you're a very business person. Thank you so much. The knowledge what you gave, really we are thankful because, most of the parents, they're just worried what our children is doing, why all those things. You have explained explicitly. We are quite thankful, and we want all of viewers to be thankful to this great doctor because he took his time. In fact, he was quite busy, but we requested that please give some time so that, all the viewers across the globe can view and be thankful for that. Thank you so much indeed. It's a privilege and honor.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much.